Refraction at convex surface. Refraction at convex surface. The surface is convex, medium is continuous, denser medium. Object at rarer medium. Object is point object. Let us see. Refraction at convex surface. Refraction at convex surface. The formula is mu2 by v minus mu1 by u equal to mu2 minus mu1 by r. Mu2 by v minus mu1 by u equal to mu2 minus mu1 by r. Mu2, refractive index of denser medium. Mu1, refractive index of rarer medium. Refractive index of rarer medium. V, image distance. U, object distance. R, radius of curvature. Radius of curvature. Radius of curvature. Whose radius of curvature? Radius of curvature of convex surface. Now see, object is point object placed in rarer medium, denser medium. The surface, nature of surface is convex, and real image is formed. Real image is formed. See how the diagram is obtained. Look, this is the continuous denser medium. Principal axis. O is the point object. O is the point object. See, incident ray from the point object. Normal, angle of incidence. This is the center of curvature. See, angle of incidence I. OK, incident ray. While going from rarer to denser, the refracted ray is bending towards the normal. So this is angle of refraction. Angle of incidence is more. Angle of refraction is less. Object at rarer medium entering to the denser medium. Here another ray. Both ray, while meeting here, image is real. O is the point object. Look at. You take alpha. This angle is alpha. At O, at I you take beta, and at C you take gamma. Three angles. Take alpha at O, take beta at I, take gamma at C. Then I draw a perpendicular here. T. Draw KT is the perpendicular, so that this T and this point, the optical center, is close to each other. So now we have to derive the formula. Look at here. Triangle KOC. KOC. Triangle KOC. KOC. I is the exterior angle, distance angle. I equal to sum of distance interior angle alpha plus gamma. Mark. KOC is the triangle, I is the exterior angle. Sum of distance internal angle alpha plus gamma, bit 1. Again, triangle CKI. Gamma is the external angle. Sum of R plus beta. Equation 2. Triangle CKI. This is the triangle. Gamma is the external angle. R and beta distance interior angle. So gamma equal to R plus beta. So R equal to gamma minus beta. Equation 3. Clear? Equation 1 and equation 3. Equation 1 is I. Equation 3 is R. Use Snell's law. Use Snell's law. As per Snell's law, sin I by sin R equal to mu2 by mu1. mu2 is refractive index of the denser medium. mu1 is the refractive index of the rarer medium. So sin I by sin R equal to mu2 by mu1. Equation 4. If I and R is small, for small angle of I and R, sin I equal to I, sin R equal to R. So I by R equal to mu2 by mu1. Equation 5. If angle is small, sin I equal to I, sin R equal to R. So I by R equal to mu2 by mu1. See, in equation 1, I equal to alpha plus gamma. So alpha plus gamma by R. R is how much? Gamma minus beta. So in place of R, you put gamma minus beta equal to mu2 by mu1. Again, in equation 1, I, so I alpha plus gamma. In equation 3, R equal to gamma minus beta. You put gamma minus beta equal to mu2 by mu1. So cross multiply. Alpha mu1 plus gamma mu1 equal to gamma mu2 minus beta mu2. Cross multiply. Alpha mu1 plus gamma mu1 equal to gamma mu2 minus beta mu2. Take beta mu2 plus alpha mu1. Beta mu2 plus alpha mu1 equal to gamma mu2 minus gamma mu1. Take minus beta mu2 to the left hand side. So plus beta mu2. Okay. Take gamma mu1 to right hand side minus gamma mu1. So equation number 6. Again, when beta, alpha, gamma are small, tan beta equal to beta. So we may write tan beta mu2 plus tan alpha mu1 equal to tan gamma mu2 minus tan gamma mu1. When beta is small, tan beta equal to tan beta. When alpha is small, alpha equal to tan alpha. When gamma is small, gamma equal to tan alpha, tan gamma. When gamma is small, gamma equal to tan gamma. See, tan beta. Here tan beta in triangle KTI, tan beta, KT by TI. Tan beta is KT by TI. P by B, perpendicular, KT, base is TI. KT by TI into mu2 plus tan alpha. Here tan alpha, KOT triangle, right angle triangle, KT is the perpendicular. So tan alpha is KT by OT mu1 equal to gamma KTC. So KTC. KT is the perpendicular, TC is the base. So KT by TC minus again KT by TC. Here see tan gamma mu 2. So KT by TC mu 2 minus KT by TC mu 1. Equation number 7. Just I am writing tan beta KT by Ti. Okay. Tan alpha I am writing KT by OT. Tan gamma KT by TC. So that becomes equation number 7. Now comes to equation number. After equation number 7, what you will do? You cancel KT from all sides. Cancel KT. So 1 by Ti mu 2 plus 1 by OT mu 1 equal to mu 2 by TC minus mu 1 by TC. Equation number 8. KT cancelled. So 1 by Ti mu 2, 1 by OT mu 1 equal to 1 by TC mu 2, mu 1 by TC. Look at here. Ti. T to I is the image distance. T to I you put 1 by V, image distance. T to I. T is closer to this center. So Ti is V mu 2, 1 by OT. OT is the object distance and use sign convention 1 by minus u mu 1 equal to, take the common TC, 1 by TC is common, mu 2 minus mu 1. Ti, T to I, of image distance positive V, TO or OT, object distance U but negative side minus U, TC, in place of TC, this is equal to radius of curvature R, you can put R, mu 2 by V minus mu 1 by U equal to mu 2 minus mu 1 by R. In place of TC, you can put R. This equation 9 becomes the formula for refraction at convex surface.